Namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also to join with us as early as possible. Our company is established in 1983, so we have around 38 years of huge experience in this jewelry and pearl industry. We believe customer is our God. Our main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. So today I bring in front of you a beautiful pearl of sets. 6 sets I bring in front of you. All are studded with silver, with color stones and natural freshwater pearls. First we will see the overview one by one, then I will explain clearly each one. This is a bracelet, multicolor, and this is a beautiful set with peacocks, and one more choker with blue color stones. This is with blue color single side brooch set. This is one more with green and white seizures. This one more small choker for kids. It looks very nice for small functions with red color stone and with blue color stone, single side brooch, and simple nice design this one. So before explaining each and every product clearly, first I will tell my brand's name and address and how to communicate with us. So our brand name is Krishna Pulse. This is located in Jubilee Hills Road number 36 on the way to Peddamma Temple, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee Hills metro station. And this is our logo. Peacock in brown color is our logo. Before entering the store, please watch this logo. And we have 2 gold schemes. Each one is 12 months scheme. The first scheme is you need to pay only 11 months. This is the fixed amount, and the 12th month company will pay the amount, and after that you will get after 1 year you will buy anything in gold, diamond or pearls or silver, and you will get the good discounts on that also. And the second scheme is you need to pay total 12 months, but the amount is not fixed. For example, 1 month you can pay 5,000 and another month you can pay 20,000 also. After the completion of 12 months you will get a good discounts on the products. So if you want to join in these 2 schemes, Mr. Ajay is the concerned person and his WhatsApp number is 70933244141. And if you want to directly purchase from our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. In this you will get plenty of collections of pearls with gold, pearls with silver. All types of photos and videos are available. And in our company one more good facility is there, that is video call shopping. That number is 92480-36721. Or if you have any other queries or inquiries, if you want to see our other designs also, please WhatsApp to this number 92480-36721. And we have international shipping facilities also available. That to all major countries, free shipping is there. For some countries, some terms and conditions are present. And if it is in India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, totally free. We are not charging a single rupee also. And if it is local for Hyderabad and Secunderabad people, our person personally comes and visit to your house and deliver the products. That is the added advantage in Hyderabad and Secunderabad people. So we will see each and every product clearly today. So today's first wonderful piece is the double brooch with peacocks and with red color stones, and enamel work is there, green enamel and brown enamel. This is total 4 rows upside and the front side 5 rows. Here some multicolor stones are provided, green and red color with cut stones, with the matching earrings also there. And this highlight is that Kakamoti pearls. These are the world's tiniest pearls. It is very difficult work to do the hole at the middle part of this pearl, and we will stitch with the nylon silk thread. Here also inside is nylon silk thread, that is very strong thread. We will use 2-3 rows in this. I will show clearly. Back side we have provided the dory. ये बहुत नेचुरल फ्रेश वाटर पल्स है. डबल सेट ब्रोच सेट बोलते हैं इसको, मैचिंग ईयर रिंग्स के साथ, इनसाइड नायलॉन सिल्क थ्रेड के साथ है. बहुत स्ट्रांग थ्रेड रहेगा. बैक साइड डोरी के है बोल के इस हिसाब से हमने एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं हमारा ड्रेस के हिसाब से. ये देखिए टोटल शैम्पेन कलर पल्स, लिटिल बिट हाफ राउंडेड पल्स, वंडरफुल पीस. दिस इज सी दिस, ये सबसे हाईलाइट है. ये 2 ब्रोचेस सबसे हाईलाइट है. इन दिस वर्ल्ड्स टाइनिएस्ट पल्स है. बहुत काकामोती पल्स बोलते हैं इसका नाम. और एनामिल भी बहुत अच्छा किया. एंड दिस इज मेड इन आवर वर्क यूनिट ओनली. वी हैव वेरी स्किल्ड टेक्नीशियंस आर देयर and designed by our designers only. Simply studded in silver this one, and we use purely 92.5% sterling silver we use, and that thick gold plating we will use. Exchange. And we have 80% exchange value also after using 2 years or 4 years. If you want to exchange, you will get the 80% value. You need to submit the bill and product as it is you need to submit. Please use this benefit. This is available in our company only. Generally gold and diamond everybody will give, but in our company we will give pulse stones and silver items also. So you can see the earrings also matching, same exactly matching. One flower type we are given, 7 red stones, and the side also red stones with peacocks, blue and green and brown enamel work is there. God's tiniest pulse, Kaka Moti pulse. Simply nice. It is a totally functional wear. On silk sarees also it looks very nice. We will see the prices. In the silver items, total lump sum price will be present. This price is the total set including earrings 27,000. 27,000 very reasonable only. Long haram this is with a double brooch. If anybody interested, please take the snapshot and approach our team. This is only this type of design only present in this. In this, if you want 2 more sets also available. This silver with gold plating, this one 27,000. And don't think this is the final price. We will offer very best deal also. I always told Sunday we will give the very best deal. If anybody wants for special price, please approach our WhatsApp number. Then we will give very best price, because there is no gold in this, so we have more chance to give more best price. So we will see the second set of the day. This is see big size pulse, around 6 to 7 mm pulse, and big side brooch with white CZs and blue color CZs are there. With matching studs we are provided. See the clarity of the stones, so much glittering is coming. Inside total nylon silk thread. It looks simple, but this is very beautiful piece. When you wear, only side brooch will be highlighting, so it looks very nice. For little bit elders, or if you want to wear the big sets, then it looks very nice. ये बहुत बढ़िया बड़ी साइज का मोती है. बहुत सिंगल साइड ब्रोच प्रोवाइड किया, पूरा चांदी के साथ है, चांदी विथ गोल्ड प्लेटिंग के साथ है. इसके ऊपर सीजेट्स के पूरा कट स्टोन्स है, ये ब्लू और ये, और हमने इसको स्टड्स प्रोवाइड किया. बहुत मैचिंग, सेम ब्रोच कैसा है उसी हिसाब से स्टड्स भी मैचिंग किया हमने. एक बार मैं नज़दीक से दिखाता हूँ. ये बैक साइड डोरी प्रोवाइड किया, इस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. व्हेन यू वेयर लॉन्ग sarees, if the person is so much height also, it looks very beautiful. The main highlight is the brooch, side brooch is the main highlight. This is 5 rows, inside is nylon silk thread. All of you know that, very strong thread this one. We use 2-3 rows in this, and this price is very reasonable, just 21,000. And don't think this is the final price. We will offer very best deal also on this 21,000. So once again we will see the close. See total milky white pulse, almost round pulse है ये. See the clarity of the pulse, 6 to 7 mm है. The main highlight is the brooch. It is just look like diamond brooch. This is a replica for the diamond brooch. This is designed by our designers only and made in our work unit only. See at the ending also we use the 5 rows, total 5 rows string. Total milky white one, blue and milky white. It looks very beautiful. Just 21,000. We will give the very good discount also in this, because there is no gold in this, so we have more chance to give the better price. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. Our team is ready to answer your queries. So we'll see the next set. One more set in blue color stone. In this some designing work is there. In the back side we are provided the button shape pulse. These are generally used for the finger rings, but we are provided in the set. On that some gold balls is there, not gold, silver with gold plating balls are there. The simple brooch. See, if anybody wants the simple one for youngsters or simple ones preferred, then go for this one. And price is also very reasonable. This is total set just 9,500 only, including earrings. On the earrings we have provided small drops. Same brooch type pendant is here, and then some drop is we are provided. Total gold plating this one. Here is 3 rows, milky white pulse, half rounded pulse. Inside nylon silk thread is there. Total jolly work. Back side clip is silver fancy clip. You can see once. There is no dory for this. If anybody wants, we will put the dory also, but this looks nice. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. In this green and red color is also available, and blue color is also available. So if you want to see more designs in this, more colors, please WhatsApp to our WhatsApp number. See, these are clarity of the button pulse. One side is flat, complete flat, and one side is total good luster. And that we are using silver with gold plating balls, and here 3 cut blue stones we are using. ये बटन शेप पल्स के साथ नीचे हाफ राउंडेड पल्स के साथ स्मॉल सिंगल साइड ब्रोच यूज किया हमने, ब्लू कलर का कट स्टोन है, साइड में सेम डायमंड वर्क जैसा सीजेट्स यूज किया, कट सीजेट्स, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, सिंपल है। 9500 में टोटल सेट आ जा रहा है आपको ईयर रिंग्स के साथ, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सेट है ये, इनसाइड नायलॉन सिल्क थ्रेड है। और ये 9500 भी फाइनल प्राइस नहीं है, हम आपको और भी बेस्ट प्राइस देंगे और लास्ट में 3% GST ऐड करेंगे। सो इसमें दूसरा कलर्स भी देखना चाहे तो आपने प्लीज़ हमारा नंबर को व्हाट्सअप कर लीजिए, हम इमीडिएटली दिखाएंगे। इसमें ब्लू है ना, ये ग्रीन भी है, रेड भी है, ब्लू भी है, अदर कलर्स भी अवेलेबल है इसमें। सो नाइस सेट फॉर यंगस्टर गर्ल्स, इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी नाइस फॉर आवर डॉटर्स।
मेरून कलर अवेलेबल है,
मेरून అంటే రెడ్ కదా।
हाँ
So ma'am, maroon color is available ma'am. Please WhatsApp to our number ma'am. Then we will show the maroon color one. Same maroon color is also available. That is also same price 9500, and we will give best deal also on that. So one more simple choker set. This looks for very nice for youngsters also, for our daughters. Simple button shape pulse here also we are using with red color stones and one small drop. Back side we are provided the dory, so according to your neck length or dress code you can adjust this one. These are all color stones, not real stones, not ruby, emerald, only pulse are natural freshwater pulse. See button shape, one side is complete flat, inside is total nylon silk thread. Total nylon silk thread, inside is, this is called as jali work also. Here two putties we are provided. This is made in our work unit only. The workers name is patwas. The workers are called as patwas. They will do this type of typical works and designed in by of designers only. See the pendant, simple and nice one. No, not much glitters and beautiful. In this also plenty of colors are available. This is maroon color or red color. You can call as a pink color. In this green is also available. Blue is also available, and other colors also available. So if anybody wants the different colors, please approach our WhatsApp number. Total simple set, or if you want any small changes also, if you want to include some other beads in this also, it is possible in front of you only, because this is made in our work unit only. So this price is very very highlighting and attracting price. With earrings it is just 4500. Just 4500 you will get a total choker set. It is surprising for all of us. This is just 4500, and don't think this is the final price also. We will give offer very very best deal also. ये बहुत अच्छा और सिंपल सेट है, चोकर सेट है, हमारे बच्चियों को बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा। और ये खाली 4500 है इसका प्राइस, ये भी फाइनल प्राइस नहीं है, इसमें भी हमने अच्छा डिस्काउंट देंगे, लास्ट में 3% GST तो ऐड ऑन होगा। और ऑल ओवर इंडिया फ्री डिलीवरी है, अपने स्मॉल सेट के लिए भी डिलीवरी देंगे, हमने कहा भी हो पूरा इंडिया में पूरा फ्री डिलीवरी देंगे हमने। प्लीज़ इसमें बहुत कम सेट्स है, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स आर अवेलेबल। इफ एनीबडी वांट्स प्लीज अप्रोच आवर टीम इमीडिएटली। जस्ट 4500। So one more today's necklace set, green and white. This is called as the Nizami style. In Hyderabad, Nizams maximum use the green and white. These are natural freshwater pearls. 3 rows we are using. In between are gold plated balls. We are using silver on that. We use the purely 92.5% sterling silver we use. We are not use any other metal, because metals sometimes give the allergy, but silver doesn't use. See here, highlight is the pendant. On the same diamond work is there, white seagulls and green stone. Here we are using 3 rows of pearls. Looks like some different design. This is also made by of our patwas, but in we are using the studs. If you want to add any hanging also in this, it is possible. 3 rows, inside is nylon silk thread. If you want to change here 5 rows or 2 rows also possible. This is made in front of you only, because this is made by of our workers only. Back side we are using the silver fancy clip. See 3 rows how it is looking beautiful. ये 3 लाइन का है, पूरा स्वच्छ मोती के साथ व्हाइट कलर मोती है, ये हाफ राउंडेड है। सिंपल पेंडेंट इज द हाईलाइटर इन दिस। फॉर ईयर रिंग्स हमने ईयर रिंग्स स्टड्स प्रोवाइड किया है, सेम डायमंड डिजाइन जैसा दिख रहा है। ये डायमंड में गया तो बहुत लाखों में होता है, ऐसा सिंपल है। इसमें पूरा सेट जस्ट 17,900 है। और ये भी फाइनल प्राइस नहीं है, हमने बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट देंगे। जस्ट 17,900 में आप ईयर रिंग्स और गुड नेकलेस सेट आएगा। ये निज़ाम स्टाइल गोल्ड तो
In same you have in rubies.
हाँ, in red color also we have available, ma'am.
निहारिका मैम, महिका मैम
निहारिका वो.
Niharika, ma'am.
हाँ
Namaste, Niharika Garandi. Thank you for watching our live program, ma'am. This is in this pink color and red color is also available, ma'am. This is green color. In this red and blue color is also available. Please WhatsApp to our WhatsApp number, ma'am. Then we will show. This is colored Nizam style, generally green and white. That's why I am showing this one. It is not possible to show all type of colors in this. Just simple necklace set.
Kamalika Basu is asking, do you have this discounts and design available online?
Online website.
हाँ online. Kamalika Basu.
Madam, online website it is available or not? I 100% I am not sure, ma'am. But if you approach to our online number also, online website also, they will show. They will show for your or WhatsApp to your number, or just say WhatsApp to this number, ma'am. Hi to this WhatsApp number. Then we will show all type of designs and patterns in this, ma'am. Thank you for watching our live program. So today's last set is the beautiful choker set. आज का लास्ट पीस है ये, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चोकर है ये, सिंपल. Here we are using the black color, not completely we are using the black color because some people have sentiments they are not use the black color, so we are using the little brownish color. This one, little brownish color and white seizures. 3-4 rows choker is there. 2 putties we are using there, and simple hanging we are using. Very beautiful earrings. I will show clearly this one. Back side we are provide the dory. Simple choker. In this plenty of collections are available. In this all types of colors are available: red, green, blue and pink. Other type of designs also there. In this little bit broad pendants and small pendants are also available there. If you want to see our choker collections, please WhatsApp our number. We have around hundreds of designs in the choker sets. Plenty of broad pendant, long pendant, hat pendant, different types of pendants are available in this.
Yes, website.
So this price is very reasonable, just 11,000 including the earrings. If anybody wants, this is different color, that's why I am showing little bit brown color. This one, this is purely studded in 22 carats 22 carats gold plating and 92.5% purely sterling silver with the seizures. Seizures are looking like diamonds only, and this is not black, a little bit brownish color. See 4 lines we have used फॉर ग्रिप पर्पस. 2 पट्टी हमने यूज़ किया है इसमें ग्रिप के लिए. बैक साइड डोरी प्रोवाइड किया, हमारा नेक के हिसाब से नेक लेंथ के हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. स्मॉल ड्रॉप दिया हमने, इसलिए ब्यूटीफुल लुक आ गया इसको. इसमें अदर कलर्स भी देखना है तो हमारा नंबर को व्हाट्सअप कर लीजिए. इसमें ब्लू, ग्रीन, रेड ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स आर अवेलेबल. जस्ट 11,000 टोटल सेट है. ये भी फाइनल प्राइस नहीं है, हमने बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट देंगे आप अप्रोच किया तो. सो होपिंग ऑल ऑफ यू लाइक टुडेस एपिसोड. टुडे आई शोड सिंपल सेट्स. Today I showed simple sets. All are total 6 sets I showed. We have plenty of hundreds of collections in this. If you want other designs to see in pulse with silver combination sets, please approach our WhatsApp number.
Gifting purpose.
And these are for gifting purpose or for any small functions also you can use, because gold is not possible to wear every time. हमने गोल्ड हर बार नहीं पहन सकते हैं, इसलिए हमने ऐसा सिल्वर के साथ भी सेट्स रखा है. बहुत लाइट वेट का है, ये भी बहुत कम प्राइस में आपको रीजनेबल दिखेगा. इसमें गोल्ड नहीं बोल के हमने अच्छा डिस्काउंट देने का भी हमको चांस मिलेगा. टोटल स्वच्छ मोती के साथ है सब. प्लीज अप्रोच कर लीजिए, हमारा और भी डिजाइन देखना है तो. सो वी हैव अराउंड 4 branches are there. Our first branch is in near Charminar, that is our first store, and the second branch is very Royal Collection store and lightweight jewelry you will get there. Hotel Taj Krishna, H11, Banjara Hills Road number 1. If anybody going in that way, please come to our store. You will get the Royal collections and the Royal treatment you will get there. And 2 more stores are available in HICC and beside Hyderabad International Convention Center. Very fast moving products are available there because the big conferences are happening there. So you will get a very fast moving and latest products there. And all of you know that a very exclusive store is available in Jubilee Hills Road number 36 in the main road, in the prime location that is located in the ground floor. You will get the plenty of bridal collections in diamonds, polkis and plain gold, items and
ये छाना
stone
फिर से
collections. And in the second floor, a beautiful collection of pulse. You will get pulse with gold and pulse with silver also. Real stones also you will get in the
Facebook में
second
बहुत है।
floor. And you will get all types of
Insta
pulse there.
download है
Soxy
क्या?
pulse, Basra pulse, Tahiti pulse, Mikimoto pulse, Shell pulse, Sakai pulse. Different types of pulse you will get with silver and gold combination. From 1.5 year onwards, we started a Krishna House of Silver in the second floor itself. We will take the order from small item to big item. We will get plenty of variety of collections, just like wall clocks, dining tables,
COD
chairs,
available. Thank
crockery
you for
items.
your
So all
interest.
types of designs you will get in silver, and we use very pure silver. 92.5%
Madam,
silver
sir,
symbol is also available there. And we will take the bulk orders also. And we will get silver in antique collections and white silver
Kamali
polish
ka
also you will get
aurat hai
there.
wo.
So hoping all of you like today's episode. If anybody interested, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. Our team is ready to give the answers for your
किसमें?
queries. Thanking you for giving this opportunity. Bye bye. Dhanyawad, Suman.